curl of a vector. So curl of a vector is given by del cross A, where A is any vector, and this gives us another vector. Curl of a vector is another vector. Okay. Now for any A given by A1 Q1 cap plus A2 Q2 cap plus A3 Q3 cap, the del cross A, the curl of the vector A is given by 1 by H1 H2 H3, where H1 H2 H3 are the metric element. Its cross product, that is H1 Q1 cap H2 Q2 cap H3 Q3 cap. Along with the unit vector, you must also mention its metric element. Then dou by dou Q1, dou by dou Q2, dou by dou Q3 of again H1 times A1, H2 times A2, H3 times A3. So for for Cartesian coordinate system, del cross A is given by 1 by H1 H2 H3, all H are metric element are equal to 1, so this is x cap, y cap, z cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z into ax, x component of A, y component of A, z component of A. So this will be like x cap into dou by dou y of Az, dou by dou y of Az minus dou by dou z of Ay, dou by dou z of Ay. Correct. This continues. Second term will be minus y cap into dou by dou x of Az, dou by dou x of Az minus dou by dou z of Ax plus z cap into dou by dou x of Ay minus dou by dou y of Ax. So this is for the Cartesian coordinate system. So continuing with the curl for the cylindrical and spherical. For the cylindrical coordinate system, we have the function as let us write down the vector. A is equal to A rho into rho cap plus A phi into phi cap plus AZ into Z cap, where rho rho cap, phi cap and z cap are the unit vectors, and corresponding metric element is 1 rho 1. So h1 corresponds to 1, h2 is rho, and h3 is again 1. Now what is the formula? 1 by rho into, this is rho cap, and this is h1 times rho cap. So this is h1 into rho cap, that is 1 into rho cap, h2 into phi cap, that is h2 is rho into phi cap, then again 1 into z cap. Here it is dou by dou rho and dou by dou phi and dou by dou z. And this is again 1 h1 into, so 1 into a rho, h2 is rho into a phi, then 1 into a z. So this can be written as rho cap into dou by dou phi of, so dou by dou phi of az minus dou by dou z of rho a phi. So you have to multiply a phi with rho, plus, or you can write minus rho into phi cap times dou by dou rho of az minus dou by dou z of a rho, plus z cap into dou by dou rho of a phi minus dou by dou rho of rho a phi, dou rho of a phi minus dou by dou phi of a rho. So this is the curl of a vector. So this is del cross A in cylindrical coordinate system. So this entire thing you have to divide by 1 by rho also. So this entire thing times 1 by rho. Coming to the spherical polar coordinates. Coordinates, we can write del cross A equal to, before that let us write down what is A, and also let us write down what are the coordinates r, theta, phi. So A equal to AR into r cap plus A theta into theta cap plus A phi into phi cap. So AR into r cap, A theta into theta cap, A phi into phi cap. Now yes, so what are the metric element corresponding to r, theta and phi? Metric elements are 1 r sin theta. So the del cross A is 1 by h1 h2 h3, that is 1 by r square sine theta into r cap 1 into r cap, that is metric element 1 into r cap, r into theta cap, r sine theta into phi cap. Now this is dou by dou r, dou by dou theta, dou by dou phi, and here you have 1 into ar, here we have r into a theta and r sine theta into a phi. So the equation says 1 by r square sine theta into r cap into dou by dou theta of r sine theta a phi minus dou by dou phi of r times a theta. That's the first term. Then minus r theta cap into dou by dou r of r sine theta a phi minus dou by dou phi of ar plus r sine theta phi cap into dou by dou r of r times a theta minus dou by dou theta of ar. This is the del cross A in r theta phi, and that is the spherical polar coordinates. Here are few questions for practice. Vector A in 3 different coordinate systems are given. You are asked to find del cross A, the curl of the vector A. So vector A is equal to rho sine phi rho cap plus rho square z phi cap plus z cos phi z cap. So this is in spherical polar coordinates. Sorry, this is in cylindrical. Cylindrical coordinate system. So since it is in cylindrical coordinate system, our del cross A will be 1 by h1, h2, h3. h1 is equal to 1, h2 equal to rho, h3 equal to again 1. So 1 by rho into h1 is 1, so rho cap, this is h2 rho into phi cap, then z cap, dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou z. This is a rho, a phi, a z. So 1 by rho outside, so this gives us rho cap into this one, dou by dou phi of Az minus dou by dou z of A phi. This is within bracket, sorry, yeah, plus minus rho phi cap into dou by dou rho of Az minus dou by dou z of A rho plus z cap into dou by dou rho of A phi minus dou by dou phi of A rho. Okay, so that's equal to, here 1 by rho is also there, so this is 1 by rho. Well, let us divide the entire thing into 1 by rho. So rho cap into dou by dou phi of Az, dou by dou phi, what is Az? Az is this one, this is Az, sorry, this is A rho, this is A phi, this is Az, so z cos phi minus dou by dou z, dou by dou z of A phi, what is A phi? Rho square z minus rho into phi cap to dou by dou rho of Az. Az is z cos y minus dou by dou z of A rho, is A rho, rho sin phi plus z cap into dou by dou rho A phi, it is A phi, it's A phi, rho square z minus dou by dou phi of A rho, it is A rho, rho sin phi. So the first term, this everything into 1 by rho. So rho cap into dou by dou phi of z cap. So z minus z sin phi minus rho square wait, oh, we have made a mistake. This is h1, so that is 1. Here you have to multiply by rho, here 1, h1 A rho, h1 q1 cap, sorry, this is h1 into a1, h2 into a2, h3 into a3. I hope you remember that. So wherever A phi is there, you have to multiply by rho, so this becomes cube. This is phi, here also cube. Now change further. Okay, so this is rho cube minus rho phi cap. This is dou by dou rho z cos phi, no terms. Dou by dou z rho sin phi, no terms. So this term, second term is 0, plus z cap into dou by dou rho of rho cube z. So 3 rho square z phi minus cos phi, rho cos phi. Rho cos phi into 1 by rho. So wherever there is rho, you can divide, but keep it as it is, 1 by rho, because here there is no term. Here you have rho cube. Is this understood? The vector A is given to be 1 by r square sin theta r cap plus r sin theta cos phi theta cap plus cos phi phi cap. Cos phi phi cap. So now this is in spherical polar coordinates. Spherical polar coordinate system. So let us write down the formula for del cross A in general coordinate system. So 1 by h1 h2 h3 h1 q1 cap h2 q2 cap h3 q3 cap, dou by dou q1 dou by dou q2 dou by dou q3 h1 a1 h2 a2 h3 a3. Here h1 is equal to 1, h2 equal to r, h3 equal to r sin theta. A1 is equal to sin theta by r square. A2 is equal to r sin theta cos phi. A3 equal to cos phi. Now let us write down what is del cross A in spherical polar coordinates. That's equal to h1 h2 h3, product of h1 h2 h3 is r square sin theta. So 1 by r square sin theta into h1 1, this is r cap, h2 is r theta then theta cap, h3 is r sin theta, q3 cap means phi cap, dou by dou r, dou by dou theta, dou by dou phi. AR, h1 into a1, so h1 is 1, a1 is sin theta by r square, dou by dou theta and h2 is r times a2, a2 is r sin theta cos phi. Then you have the third component, h3 is r sine theta into a3 is cos phi. Let us write down here r cap into dou by dou theta of r sine theta cos phi minus dou by dou phi of r square sine theta cos phi. That's equal to r cap into dou by dou theta. So sine theta becomes cos theta. So r cos theta cos phi minus dou by dou phi. So cos phi become sin phi with a minus sign. So minus r square sin theta sin phi. R square sin theta sin phi. That is the first term. Now second term, r theta cap. R theta cap into dou by dou r of wait r theta cap. Oh, I think we made a mistake. No, fine. Dou by dou r of dou by dou theta. Theta cap. Okay, dou by dou r of r sin theta cos phi. Yeah, it's fine. R sin theta cos phi minus dou by dou phi of sin theta by r square. So that's equal to r theta cap into dou by dou r of r sin theta. So sin theta cos phi will remain. Sin theta cos phi minus this term will be 0. And there is a minus sign because this is the second term. Second term there is a minus sign. Then again last term, that is r sin theta phi cap into r sin theta phi cap into dou by dou r of r square sin theta cos phi. R square sin theta cos phi minus dou by dou theta of sin theta by r square. So what is remaining? R sin theta phi cap into dou by dou r of r square. So 2r sin theta cos phi, 2r sin theta cos phi minus dou by dou theta. So sin theta by r square, that will be equal to minus cos theta by r square. Now add these terms. This is the first term with respect to r cap. This is the theta cap, second term. Here you have the third term. Add all the term and divide by r square sin theta. It gives us the required answer.